All right. Buenos dias. Viva de Mexico. Viva all Mexicans, including myself, for hard work. So right now, man, I have to figure it out how I have to push it in this entire blower. So I put this motor in, a rescue motor. It's like a generic for all kinds of replacements. So this is the box, and all the air you see goes through that duct to the interior of the building. So, and here is the old one. You see the ECM, and that's the motor right there. But what it does, these capacitors, so one of the capacitor is weak, and that's why it's not turning. Yeah, and it's only 5 years old. No, not 5, sorry, 7 years old. And when I call the factory, it's obsolete. They don't have anymore, so they don't make it. Oh, I see, because this one was made in China, so pretty much they are coming back to North America. Then what I have to do, I have to put a capacitor right there, connect it. That's the wiring. I have to put everything together. Yeah. It's not bad, not bad. You know, in the morning that's kind of hard, but right now it's getting to it. Again, that's a Tijuana, the famous city in the world. Oh shit, came off. All right, now to put it back.